Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Dance Legend Roz and MXM023. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and I will also be using Paris Nights from Sister Chic today. I always like, well not always, but most of the time like using a black cream base under duo or multi-chromes. It just takes less coats of the multi-chrome or duochrome polishes. Makes them pop. So I'm going to cap my free edge there. Now this is my older bottle of Paris Nights. It's starting to get way down low. And this is Dance Legend Roz. Very pretty. So I'm going to cap my free edge first on this one. And then I'm going to paint the nail. And to me that just works really well. And this one's a really cool one. It's got like green and gold and purple and orange. It just changes into all kinds of colors. Just absolutely lovely. Hi Woody, how you doing? So I'm going to top this with some Poshe top coat. Get it to dry down so that I can do some stamping. Fun, fun, fun. Really loving this duochrome, multi-chrome. It's so pretty. So I am going to be using Maniology's, and this one is coconut. It's the off-white that I am in love with now. I've got my Conad scraper and beauty stamper. Oh, I got them mixed up. And this is Maniology MXM023. I'm going to get this blue film off of it real quick. Kind of using my tweezers to get over in the corner to get it to pull up. And then I'm going to pull it off. And then I'm going to take my acetone on a cotton ball and run across it real quick. And then rub it over with a paper towel. And here we go. We're going to get started. I picked a couple of images off this plate to use. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get this manicure done and up in time for Valentine's Day. So it could be a Valentine manicure, you know, with the multi-chrome roses. Or it could just be an any day kind of manicure. So, you know, there you go, my thought process. And I really do like this image here. It's like a bunch of roses all clumped up together. Very nice. And I'm going to put that one. I've done that same image on my thumb and my ring finger. And then I'm going to use the single rose image on my other three nails. I'm just going to have it facing different directions on there, just to keep it interesting. And with this image you can still see a lot of that multi-chrome in the background. I really liked it. So I'm using a piece of tape to get up that excess off the stamper that I don't want to transfer to my nail or my skin. And then one more for that little pinky nail. Now this image actually is a little big for the pinky nail, but we're doing it anyway. I didn't feel like doing any shrinking to the image. There we go. And I am going to use a little piece of tape to get up some of this excess polish off of my finger. And it's coming up pretty well. I really do like this shade of Stampin' Polish. It's kind of like white, but just not stark white, and I really like that. Becoming a very much loved favorite. And now I'm going to go in and do some cleanup with my cleanup brush and some nail polish remover. And we'll be using Maniology's Smudge Free Top Coat today. Hope you can see, like when I turn my nail and get some shadows going. Excuse me, you can see some of the other colors like the orange. I love it. And now I'm going to top this with some Poshe and get it to dry down and be done. Finito, finished. So I'm going to cut that free edge. And here is this manicure in motion. You can get some little peek-sees of some of the colors. Duochromes are really hard to capture on camera. I have a swatch photo coming up here real soon. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.